So today we want to talk about multiplying whole numbers. In the past, as adults, we learned in school through memorizing our times tables and moving straight to the standard algorithm. And we struggled with a little bit of what was actually happening when we multiplied by multi-digit numbers. So today we're going to explore two strategies that help students learn how to multiply whole numbers, and it helps them understand why they're doing it the way they're doing it, and it lays the foundation to move towards that standard algorithm. So we're going to look at two models today, and that is the area model and then partial products. Both are connected and related to each other. So our problem today is 53 times 27. And we're going to start with the area model. And the area model kind of starts out with this little box diagram. We're going to split it up into 4 quadrants because we're multiplying by two-digit numbers. I'm going to break our two-digit numbers apart just like students have been doing since first grade. So instead of multiplying by 53, we're going to multiply by 50 and 3, and then we're going to multiply by 20 and 7. So then in each box will be a partial product. So the first problem would be 50 times 20. Well, because I know 5 times 2 is 10, it helps you understand a lot faster that this is actually going to end up being 1,000. I know my place value, 50 times 20. I'm going to also multiply going across the top, 20 times 3. Again, if I know 3 times 2 is 6, it makes this easy for me to understand that 20 times 3 is 60. Down in the next row in our box, it's now going to be 50 times 7. Again, if I know 7 times 5 is 35, then 50 times 7 would be 350. And our last spot, of course, was our last little bit, which is 7 times 3, which is 21. So now we can put all those pieces back together. I'm going to list them out here at the bottom of my table. And then it's just easy addition. To get our answer of 1,431. Now I want to do the partial products, which is going to be related to this model. We're still going to see some of the same numbers popping up. I'm going to start that over here on this side. And I'm going to stack my numbers for the moment, similar to the way we learned to do it with the standard algorithm. I'm going to list out, again, similar to what the area model showed us, the partial products. So I might start with 7 times 3, and then it's going to be 7 times 50. And then my other problems would be 20 times 3 and 20 times 50. So 7 times 3 is 21. Again, 7 times 50 gives me 350. 20 times 3 is 60. And 20 times 50 is 1,000. Add them together to get my answer of 1,431. So these are both strategies that students learn to use to multiply. They also lead into what we know about division and the strategies we use with division. Both of them growing our understanding of place value, building our number sense, and laying the foundation for when it's appropriate for us to learn the standard algorithm.